Have you ever wondered why psychology seems so biased? For decades, most research involved participants from Western, industrialized nations. This limited view poses serious questions about the methods and conclusions of social psychology. Today, we explore the impact of cross-cultural perspectives and globalization. We reveal how different cultures shape our understanding of psychology and social behavior. By the end, you'll see the importance of inclusive research. Let's first highlight a core concept: the individualism-collectivism spectrum. Individualism is common in Western cultures, where independence and self-reliance are primary values. People are encouraged to express personal opinions and achieve individual goals. In contrast, collectivism is prevalent in many Asian, African, and Middle Eastern cultures. Here, people prioritize family, harmony, and group loyalty. They often see themselves as part of a larger community. These cultural differences influence how we perceive ourselves and others. In individualistic cultures, personal traits usually define behavior. In collectivist cultures, it's about situational factors and social roles. Next, consider globalization. It reshapes our identities and social interactions. As technology connects us, we experience diverse cultures simultaneously. People often create hybrid identities that blend local traditions and global influences. This complexity challenges traditional psychological frameworks. Contemporary psychology must adapt to a world where cultural identities are fluid and interwoven. It's no longer just about comparing nations but understanding internal variations within cultures. Now, let's look at social work implications, especially in Zambia and similar diverse settings. First, culturally sensitive assessments are vital. Recognizing variations in self-concept can improve the accuracy of mental health evaluations. Next, interventions must be adapted to fit local contexts. Strategies from weird cultures might not work in other settings. We need approaches that resonate with local values and family structures. Additionally, addressing prejudice and discrimination is crucial. Cross-cultural research equips us with strategies to foster intergroup harmony and reduce ethnic tensions. Finally, embracing social justice is essential. Culturally aware social psychology supports community-led initiatives. This empowers marginalized groups and fosters inclusive social development. In summary, understanding cultural perspectives is vital for effective psychology. Individualism and collectivism shape our behavior and motivations. Globalization adds complexity to our identities and cultural interactions. We must advocate for more inclusive psychological research. This will ensure we embrace diverse viewpoints and improve social practices. Join the conversation. Share your thoughts about cross-cultural psychology in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more engaging insights into psychology.